I'm in Destin, Florida, and we're going to the donut hole. There it is. The donut hole, Florida. I was told that you have to get here at like 5 a.m. to get their specialty donuts. So we're gonna see what I can get. I heard there was a key lime pie filled donut, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to because it's currently 11:30. Hi, is that the last key lime one?
Yeah.
Ooh, yeah, we'll take one of the key lime filled. Yeah, regular cake, and then the apple spice crumb. Yeah, chocolate coconut sounds good. And then you want to do sour cream? Sour cream, please. Is that 5? Okay. All right, chocolate angel. We got it, and look at that. Safety for the win. The donut hole. All right, we're gonna go to town on all of these. The first one, chocolate angel chocolate. It's just stuffed to the brim. I think she said this was buttercream. All right, this one's super sweet. I don't know how to rate it yet. I think I have to eat another donut to compare it. But it's up there. I'm gonna go with the 7, but I might change my mind. Oh my gosh. Just gorgita. This one I think is sour cream. Thick coat of glaze. Sour cream donut, 9. Next one. Holy, that's a monster right there. This is making a mess. Coconut chocolate. Another cake donut just covered in coconut. Too much coconut. 6. Oh. This one is the apple crumble. Tastes like my grandma's house. 8.2. Never mind. 7. I don't like the apple filling. This is an original cake donut. I don't like that it's not glazed in the center. After all those other flavors, fine. 6.5. And this is the one I've been wanting. I'm so happy they still had it. Okay, this is the key lime pie stuffed donut. Key lime pie filled donut. This one's beautiful. The filling isn't too sweet. It's perfectly balanced, nice and acidic, fresh, and then a little bit of powdered sugar just balances everything out. 9.2. Look at that. Devoured. Yum!